a Boost Mobile phone. That's awesome. Thanks for becoming a customer. You're the best. God bless you. You, sir, I believe that you know that someone's going to win the race today. Who's going to win the race?